Hi, today we're looking into product purchase order form. So any customers who are buying any products, they're going to fill this particular purchase order form where they can fill in all the details and you can track their exact needs. So what we're going to do is once you download this template, you will have two views like the form builder and the responses. So once you click on the form builder, you will have this option of share form. Click on this and click on copy form link and provide this exact link to the user who are going to purchase any products from your store. Okay. So once you provide this link, they will have an interface like this, which is exactly the same as the form. I'm going to quickly fill in randomly the details in this form to showcase how exactly it will work. So once I fill in all the details, the exact form response will be captured in the responses view. So I filled in all the details and I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, you can see the response has been submitted and the exact response will get captured over here in the responses tab. So this was the information that we had filled in right now and it got captured over here. Okay, so you can edit and customize this exact form builder as per your requirement. This is just a sample template file. You can add more fields or edit existing fields for your use case. All you need to do is simply click on share form and provide this exact form link to the user to fill in. I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk that utilizes a Google document as a source of a template file. So you can use a Google document to make changes to the specific document that you want to generate. And then you can use a Google Sheet or a Notion database, which will act as the source of the database, which will be replaced in the Google document while generating bulk PDF documents. So I've added a video of how you can do the same for invoices. So you can watch this video and understand how you can generate invoice documents in bulk. You can use the same process for any document for your use case. And definitely check out PDF Output. And if you have any queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to assist you with any queries or any specific template requirements that you might have. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.